Wow, what a wild 24 hours it has been. We have seen the market do some good things, then some not great things, and we're going to talk about what exactly is going on here, why XRP price has in fact breached $3 to the downside, and what in fact may be coming as we go through the rest of this week. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that bell again, it's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So unfortunately, when we look at XRP, we did in fact break our structure to the downside. Obviously, yesterday we got a little bit of a sell-off started in the market, and then the ball just continued to roll downhill. And understand that XRP is not doing this on its own. When we look across the crypto market, it is a sea of red. Obviously, XRP down 10.78% over the last 24 hours, actually 7.98% now as assets are starting to climb. But really, when you look across most of the space, it's all pretty much in line. It's all pretty much doing the same thing. Now, do I think that XRP is going to get back above $3 here in the short term? Yeah, I do. I think that right now there's a big overreaction in the market to this news about DeepSeek. So this is actually a Chinese AI like chat GPT type app. And then now there are questions about, NVIDIA, is the stock market overvalued? And this caused a little bit of a tumble overnight. And then what we worked into was actually massive liquidations across the crypto market. 896.33 million over the last 24 hours. And unfortunately, when we look at something like XRP, there was a lot of people betting with XRP, expecting price to in fact move to the upside. In fact, when we look at what open interest was doing, we were basically at record highs, right? So the market's going to move in a volatile way, one way or the other. And unfortunately, what this has led to is over the last 24 hours, $33.24 million worth of liquidations in just XRP alone. Now, that being said, what we have seen so far, at least at the time of filming this video, which is about 7 a.m. Central Standard Time, is we have in fact climbed back above 100K in terms of BTC. And this is a very, very good sign. And what we really need to see here in terms of BTC is a daily close above 100K, and we need to see tomorrow's close above 100K as well. Now, why this is in fact so important is we have some essential pieces of information coming this week. We have the FOMC meeting, which starts tomorrow and concludes on Wednesday. So we're going to find out that we're not going to get an interest rate decrease, go figure. But really what the sentiment is echoing that is the most important thing. Are we going to get them to say, yes, things are on track, we're headed down the right path? Do we see them say, hey, we're about to shift our policy and start moving towards quantitative easing? That's something that we really need to watch out for, because again, that could cause either a little bit more stir in the market or could cause massive excitement, and you may start seeing shorts getting liquidated the opposite way. The next thing that we have comes on Thursday, the 30th. And what that is the Q4 GDP report. Now, why this is in fact so important is, again, people want the confirmation that we're not tipping towards the big R word, that we're not tipping towards a time of economic decline, because then people start hodling their money just a little more. They start getting a little bit more cautious with their assets. Now, that being said, we have seen some very, very good signs in the market. I talked about this in a few videos yesterday, but we are in fact seeing the DXY begin to crater. All right. In the last 2 weeks, we've actually seen the DXY, so the US dollar index, fall from 110 down to almost breaching 107. This is actually a very strong sign. It shows that the US dollar is weakening versus other assets. And why this is in fact so important is 10-year bond yields are in fact starting to drop. And again, as this ends up being the case, you start to see people shift their capital to more speculative assets like crypto. So this is a lot bigger deal than people are making it out to be. I don't see a whole lot of people mentioning this or talking about it. And really what we're again waiting for is just all this capital that's been parked here basically since the latter part of November, as we've just traded sideways in terms of USDT dominance. We're waiting for this to begin this final descent, which is up only season, the one that causes assets like XRP and many other altcoins to do significant surges, to set new all-time highs. This again is where we get into those ranges of discussion for XRP up in the mid fours, up into the $5 range, kind of prepping for that big late market surge that sends us to some incredible highs. So understand that nothing has really changed in the crypto market. This is one of those shakeouts that we go through during the bull market cycle, and understand that retracements, they're not an uncommon thing. They happen time and time again. The reasons, the players, they might be slightly different, but we're on path for a normal market cycle. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts here. Do you think this is going to stop as the day goes on? Do we get some good news in the middle of the week? But have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.